Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. You all are heartily welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am glad to see you all, my dear little students, in a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is: education is not only a ladder of opportunity, but it is also an investment in our future. My dear students, right now you all are on the very first step of this ladder. But don't take it easily. This is not just an opportunity that you all are taking an education or come to school, learn new things, but this is the most important thing for all of you, as this is the investment of your bright future. Let's begin our day with a very positive thought. You all are ready, my dear students? Very good. Now everyone, sit straight. Make your back straight. Very good. You all are ready to understand the maths, huh? As you all know that we are making revision right now. So, wants to learn, wants to understand the topic, you wants to make revision? Yes. So, take the book in your hand, take the pencil, and yes, before we start, everyone, sit straight. Make your back straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Now write current date in your book on this corner. Write the date and day, so you can remember when you have done this work. Okay? Very good. Standard 1, subject maths. Revision of chapter number 5. Who remembers that what we already have completed in this revision series? Try to think about it. In previous lecture also, I told you that what we have completed. In this revision series, first of all, we have completed the whole revision of chapter number 4, shapes and patterns. After that, we have started the revision of chapter number 5, which is numbers up to 100. So, till now, what we have completed? Who tells me? Now, check in your book, as I am going to detect what we have already completed. Till now we have completed plus value, FB of tens and ones, numbers after, before and between. If you remember, we have completed this exercise in Maths Fair book also. And during this revision week, we have completed this in your homework book also. If you have not completed, then complete it as soon as possible. Then we learn ring the bigger number and smaller number. Something is lacking. What is that? Except ring the bigger and smaller number, we have completed one more thing. What it is? Who remembers that? Yes, we have completed the explanation as well as exercise to find out the biggest and smallest number. Who remembers this? In which form we have completed this exercise? We have completed this exercise in the form of question and answer. I have one or two examples for you so that you can memorize what we have completed in the revision of biggest and smallest number. Find out biggest and smallest number, circle around smallest number and square around biggest number. Here we have number 34, 19 and 11, among which number 11 is the smallest number, so we have to make circle around it, and number 34 is the biggest number, so we have to make square around it as per instruction. Look, my dear students, why I am taking this biggest and smallest numbers in the revision series again, because this is the base of the new topic which we are going to learn, so that you all can understand what is the smallest, what is the biggest, how to find the smallest number or how to find the biggest number. Let's see one more example. Find out smallest and biggest number. Make a circle around smallest number and square around biggest number. Here we have 74, 64 and 82. Okay, among these three numbers we can say that 64 is the smallest number, so we have to make circle around it, and there remains to find out the biggest number. So we can say that between 74 and 82, 82 is the biggest number, so we are going to make square around it. Okay, so this was the very quick revision where we understand about the biggest as well as the smallest number. I told you just that this is the base to learn the new topic which we are going to understand now. What is that? Let's see. Yes, now we are going to understand about ascending order. There are number of students who are still unable to understand this ascending order, so that here I am going to explain it again, so all the doubts becomes clear. First of all, let's see what is ascending order or increasing order. My dear students, ascending order is also called increasing order. So whenever you hear or see increasing order, don't become confused. These both things are same. Either it is ascending or it is increasing. So let's see what is the answer. The answer is to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest is called ascending order or increasing order. Again, to arrange the numbers, how? From smallest to biggest is called ascending order or increasing order. What does this means by? While we are arranging the numbers in ascending order, first of all we have to find out the smallest number among all the given numbers, After that the bigger than, and at last we have to arrange the biggest number among all the given numbers. Okay, let's understand by the examples. Look, this is the arrangement of ascending order, smallest to largest. Observe these patterns properly. The number which is less in quantity, I repeat, the number which is less in quantity will be the smallest number. Look, here we have number 1, 2, 3 and 4 arranged in ascending order. This is the smallest, then bigger one than it, and number 4 is the biggest among all these 4 numbers. This arrangement is called ascending order. Keep this thing in your mind, that to arrange the numbers in smallest to largest or biggest is called as ascending or increasing order. In the other way, you can compare it by going upstairs. You have to move one steps forward. It is like arrangement of ascending orders. Is the concept clear? So let's move to make practice. Now you all have to write with me, Write the heading rearrange in ascending order. REARRANGE, rearrange. ASCENDING, ascending. ORDER, order. Rearrange the numbers in ascending order. After finishing the heading, leave one line and then write the new number. Write number 35, 23, 12 and 27. Leave some space between two numbers. 35, 23, 12 and 27. Everybody has completed. Now look, my dear students, here we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Observe all the given numbers properly and tell me which number is the smallest among all the numbers. As we have 4 numbers here, now tell me which is the smallest. Is it number 23, 27, 12? What do you say? Yes, it is number 12. First of all, write number 12. After that, leave some space and write number 23 as it is bigger than number 12. On the very first step, there comes 12. After that, 23. After that, 27. And at last, the biggest number among all these numbers is 35. This arrangement is called ascending order, smallest to biggest. If anyone remains to copy this work, copy it fast. 35, 23, 12 and 27. Here we have arranged these numbers in the form of ascending number, where first come 12, then 23, 27 and 35. Now I hope everyone has completed this. So leave one line and then write the new number. Write number 62, leave some space, then 34, leave some space and write number 67, leave some space and then write number 4 to 42. Is everyone completed this? Now look at here, observe this and think in your mind, my dear students. Now you all have to understand, as this is revision. We already have completed this first. So now think in your mind and tell me, which is the smallest number? We have number 62, 34, 67 and 42. So tell me, which is the smallest number? Yes, it is number 34. Everyone copy number 34 in your book. Done? Now leave some space and then write number 42. Look at here. First of all, 34 is the smallest. Bigger than 34 is 42. After that there will come number 6 to 62. Now here we can say that 67 is the biggest number. So we have to write it here. Here we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Again, I would like to repeat that to arrange the numbers in ascending order means to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Is everyone has copying? Not yet? Then copy it as soon as possible. We have 62, 34, 67 and 42. While arranging is in ascending order, the smallest number is 34. So first of all copy it. After that there will come 42, 62 and at last the biggest 67. This arrangement is called ascending order. Okay. Now leave one line and then write the new number. Everyone copy after me, my dear. First of all write number 5656. Write the number 56. Leave some space and then write 26. First there will come 56, 26. After that 71 and then we have number 73. Everyone should copy this in their book. Number 56, 26, 71 and 73. Okay? Now observe. Look at the board. Think in your mind, my dear. Which is the smallest number? As you have seen that in the on the board we have 4 numbers. So from these 4 numbers, which is the smallest? Is it 56, 26, 73 or 71? It is 26. Everybody write number 26. Is everyone completed? As number 26 is the smallest among all these numbers, it comes first. Then write number 56. After 26, leave some space and then write 56. Is it done? Now there remains two numbers, 71 and 73. Think in your mind which number comes first and which is the biggest or largest number. What do you say? There comes 71. Okay? After that, there will come number 73. Everyone, copy this in your book. First of all, write down 56, 26, 71 and 73. While arranging it, first of all, write number 26, 56, 71 and 73. The arrangement from smallest to largest. Okay? I hope you all are completing this, huh? If still remember, then copy it. I am waiting for you. Very good. Now I hope everyone has completed this, huh? Okay. Now write down the new number. Write number 8 to 82. Everyone, write down number 82. Then 23. After 82, write down number 23. Leave some space and then write number 76. Then write number 92. Everyone completed? Very good. Now, as you all are my very good students, observe the pattern properly. Look at the board. Think in your mind, my dear, which is the smallest number from all these numbers. As you have seen that we have 4 numbers here. Now think in your mind which is the smallest. Is it 76? Is it 23? Is it 82? What do you say? Yes, it is number 23. First of all, write down number 23. Now everyone observe there. Which number is bigger than 23? What do you say? Yes, there will come number 76. On the very first step, there will come 23, then 76. After that, is it 82 or 92? A very big problem, na? We have to find out it. Tell me, which number will come now? Is it 82 or 92? There comes 82. And at last, the biggest among all, 92. Okay? Done, everyone? Look what we have done. We have arranged this number from smallest to biggest. Is everyone is with me? Everyone is writing properly? Completed? Very nice. Leave one line and then write the new number. Write down number 5, 6, 56. Leave some space. Then write 78. Completed? Very good. Now write 95. First of all, 56, 78, 95, and at last 27. Okay. Here we have 4 numbers. Everyone copy this in your book. Very good. Now look at the board. Think in your mind, my dear. Which number will come? Which is the smallest number? Is it 56, 27, 95? What do you say? Let me tell you, there is number 27, which is the smallest among all. Write down number 27. After that, 56. Completed? Now we remains 2 numbers with us, 78 and 95. Tell me which number comes now? Bigger than 56, which is number? Yes, it is 78. Copy number 78. 27, 56, 78, and at last the biggest among all, which is 95. So here we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. Is everyone writing with me? Everyone completed the work? Very good. So I hope you all understand the topic, as we have completed the explanation of ascending order, as well as we have make a practice regarding the same with different examples. So now it's time to learn the tables. As you all know that each and every day we learn any of the table from table 1 to 7, as we have completed the work till table number 7. So I hope you all are with me, and you all are also completed tables till 1 to 7. From this series, today we are going to learn and write table of 2. Each and every one write the heading table of 2. And yes, you all have to read and write with me, so that you can memorize the table easily. Write down the heading TABLE, table of 2. Very good. Here we are going to start table of 2. Two ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Very good. Now everyone copy the homework in your book. In homework today you all have to write arrange the numbers in ascending order 2 times in your homework book. What you have to complete? Arrange the numbers in ascending order 2 times in homework book. Okay? At your home, everyone stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. In next lecture, during this revision season, we will meet with new topic for revision. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye.